AXPO's Russein hydropower plant is located in the Swiss Alps, close to the beautiful Val Russein in the canton of Grisons. The plant produces 52 gigawatt-hours of emission-free energy per year, enough to meet the electricity requirements of about 17,000 households. The power plant, which was established in 1947, has been refurbished recently. This included a modernization of the high-voltage switchgear in the substation. A fast and simple solution for replacing the existing 72.5 kV air-insulated switchgear was provided by deploying Hitachi Energy's innovative plug-and-switch system PASS M0H. PASS M0H belongs to Hitachi Energy's high-voltage hybrid switchgear family PASS. It encloses all functions of a complete full-base switchyard in a single sub-assembly designed for connections to the high-voltage network with an H configuration. The equipment is delivered to the site completely factory-assembled and tested. The PASS M0H was installed in 4 days instead of the 8 weeks required by equivalent air-insulated switchgear base. The innovative hybrid modules use traditional air-insulated connections between equipment, while all bay functions are enclosed in a single-phase gas-insulated housing. As all the functions of a complete switchyard with an H configuration are configured as a single sub-assembly, the PASS M0H has a significantly smaller footprint than alternative solutions. By eliminating on-site assembly, testing and commissioning work, AXPO reduced the installation time from 8 weeks to 4 days, thereby also cutting the associated costs and reducing risks. The hybrid switchgear PASS M0H from Hitachi Energy delivers reliable high-voltage functions with a quick and simple installation, small footprint, and low environmental impact.